Glide line dance version. Again, the man can hold his arm out or behind his back. But normally you would dance this in a whole row of people. It can be all girls, boys, boys and girls, no set pattern. In that case, if you're not just dancing as a couple, you would put your arms along the backs of all the people next to you. You can always dance this on your own if you want to. Normally, it's a dance for a party or a sequence line dance to dance in groups. So we all begin with the same leg. We start with the left. Heel dig, back, side, front. Heel dig, back, side, front. Heel dig, back, side. Forward, cross, back, out. Swish that right leg back, swish it forward, little rise up and run. 1, 2, 3. We repeat again. So, heel dig left, back, side, front. Heel dig right, back, side, front. Heel dig left, back, side. Now shadow step. Forward, cross, back, out. Brush it back, brush it forward, little rise up. 1, 2, 3. And that 1, 2, 3, the whole group progresses forward, round the line of dance. A really good, fun party dance. Little bit faster this time. Heel, back, side, front. Heel, back, side, front. Heel, back, side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing back and forward. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Heel, back, side, front. Heel, back, side, front. Heel, back, side. 1, 2,